Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to make fried egg with dill. For the ingredient I have some dill, 5 pieces of egg, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of canned sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some black pepper. And I also have some olive oil for fried egg. Okay, and right now I'm going to bring a bowl and crack the egg inside. And then bring a fork to beat the egg. Add garlic inside. And put sugar. Add salt. And then add black pepper. And for the last step, I'm going to cut the dill inside the bowl. Okay, right now in the hot pan, add some oil. Now everything ready. Okay, right now I'm going to turn. I'm going to try the bottom because it's not too hot. It was so good. And this one I'm going to eat with the steamed rice. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos.